All right, hello. And welcome back to the daily update, my 1000 days challenge. This is day 888, so let's get things started. All right, so equity remains the same, no change in terms of balance wise. Well, this is definitely remaining relatively flat across the board. But in terms of US equity market, we do lean towards a little bit towards the downside. So, what I mentioned, we are still maintaining below 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart for both S&P 500 and also the Nasdaq itself. So that's definitely towards the bearish side of things. But bear in mind that we could still be supportive over here as long as we don't break below it. But bear in mind, multiple retesting of here is definitely not a good sign. So yeah, let's see how things goes. And then over in terms of ASH, definitely healthy recovery. We have a very nice decent break yesterday, continuation, and then now we are continuing towards the upside. So potentially we do see what I mentioned to be a long extended consolidation pattern. If we do get rejection over here, we can have a pullback and then push up and then pull back. And then we could break on this third to fourth tri region itself, and then we will form a very nice consolidation period, which will be from, say, if you consider the start, there will be 28th November all the way to perhaps the end of January itself, which will be like November, December, and January. The 3 months of consolidation, giving rise a very strong 1 month, which will be on the February itself. All right, and moving in terms of Korean wise, definitely have taken lead. I want to mention the consolidation period was very nicely formed. We break here like an A, B, C wave kind of formation, and then we actually consolidated here extremely nicely itself. So with retracement on the potential on the considered fourth wave itself, and now we're pushing towards the fifth wave extension. So if you look in terms of that, sorry, look in terms of that wise, yeah, so using the wrong one. Here, if you look at the Fibonacci extension wise, oh, this only hit the, yeah, this is actually a big extension, but still a decent extension. Looking in terms of that, alternatively, if you look in terms of the other Fibonacci chart itself, we do have 1:1.318 over here, which is still not weakest, but definitely still decent. But we beat over here. And then now in terms of how high can we do extend, I will still lean towards using this Fibonacci extension tool. So for estimation wise, I do think that this $40 to $41 region is very likely. You can see that after we break over here, we are hitting over here. So these are definitely very clear liquidity zone that even still remains valid because they are on the drawn on the monthly scale basis. All right, so definitely things to be considered about. Target wise, I would say over here, about $40 would be a very clear take profit region if you are trading it. But yeah, other than that, moving on to the final one, which is on Bitcoin itself, we do see a very nice break above the 50 and 20 exponential moving average, and there's also some crisscrossing pattern itself. If you look in terms of that, the highs of it actually reach all the way to 16.9K region itself. I did mention that we still definitely do want a great clean break above the 17K mark. We're actually currently retesting this, which is the second thing I wanted. I wanted firstly to break above and close above the moving averages. That's one. Secondly, there will be to close above the 17K mark, break above and close above the 17K mark. Alternatively, I wanted to retest these moving averages before breaking higher itself. That will again be a clearer confirmation. So if today we can actually close above the two moving averages around 16.8K region itself, and subsequently the next day, which is tomorrow itself, we do break higher than what is happened on the previous day, which is a 16.9K or 17K perhaps, and then we're going to break above it, there will be a clear confirmation that will be looking to enter a long setup on the shorter time frame, especially let's see on the forward time frame, is there any opportunity wise? Yeah, so you could, this will be quite a risky trade itself. This will be something like this. And then this will be a potential trade setup that you could be looking for. Yeah, in the break, yeah, so if you do want to enter early breakout trade, this will be a potential setup that I'm looking at. But for a more conservative kind of trade, I'll be looking to enter on a shorter time frame perhaps. So I'll be looking for it to close above here on a 4-hour chart, and then I will go dive back into a shorter time frame and then perhaps enter long setup in that sense. So that will be my approach in terms of day trading wise. Swing trading wise, not so much. I will still need some sort of clearer signs before I consider entry in that sense. All right, with that said, I've come to the end of today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.